Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the display black and white issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on vision enhancements and here scroll down, and here you will see a high contrast theme option. So click on this option and from here choose none, and after choosing none, go back, and from here turn off all these high contrast fonts, keyboards or buttons. Now after turning off these buttons, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on digital well-being and parental control. Now here scroll down to the end and click on bedtime. Now if you have turned on the bedtime, then turn it back off. Now if you have turned on the sleep time or bedtime, then turn off, and after turning off your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings, and then click on reset settings option here to reset your mobile settings. So when you will click on this reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.